Hey everyone, it's me, Tim, and today I'm setting off on a short little trip in Arizona. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I got kind of a late start today, so I'm gonna ride out to Globe, Arizona. There's a dispersed campground out there I'm gonna check out. Hopefully I can get a spot. It is a Thursday night, so it's not a Friday or Saturday at least, but there is other camping in the area. For some reason this campground doesn't work out for me. So yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't been moto camping for a couple months now. I did go camping recently, but not on the bike. And I've been out riding a little bit lately, but not as much as I would like. So I'm definitely looking forward to this. I'm about 20 minutes away from where I'm going to resupply, and then from there I'm maybe another 10 or 15 minutes. So definitely excited to see this campground, hoping there's some spots available. Just as a side note, the way I found this campground was actually on Google Maps, which I know it seems obvious, maybe seems too obvious, but it works really well. So I just go into Google Maps, do a search for dispersed campground, and then just kind of start filtering through them. A lot of the campgrounds that show up are not actually dispersed campgrounds for whatever reason. They're paid campgrounds, but you just filter through them a little bit, see what you can find, read some reviews. The reviews are really helpful. I've definitely found that to be a really good asset. So that's how I found this campsite, and I did notice while I was looking that there are definitely other campgrounds in the area. So I should be able to find something, no problem. It's, like I said, it's a Thursday, so it shouldn't be too crowded anyway. So now we're on Route 60 right now. This next little section heading into Globe is really, really beautiful. This is definitely a road that if you ever visit Arizona, you definitely got to come check this road out. It's Route 60 from Superior out to wherever it ends, Alpine or whatever. Yeah, like I said, we're making good time, so enjoy the next couple miles. Really beautiful scenery coming up. arrived at the campsite. It's called Jones Water Campground. Let's see if we can find a spot. Well, it looks empty, so that's good. That's definitely a good sign. I mean, I've already passed at least 3 spots that I could take. Just see if there's anything better a little further in. Oh yeah, there's a lot of camping in here. This is pretty nice. Use the bathroom real quick. Alright, I'm gonna go in a little bit further and try to pick out the best site. It seems like there's absolutely nobody else here, so get the pick of whatever site I want. You know what? I'm just gonna camp here. I like this spot. Close to the bathroom. Plenty of flat ground to set up my tent.
So it's about 10:30. I slept in a little bit today. I slept really good last night. It was beautiful weather-wise. It was very comfortable. I wasn't cold at all. Wasn't too hot. There were some rabbits outside my tent last night, about three of them. Man, they were stomping around like crazy. They sounded like something a lot bigger than just rabbits. So that kind of spooked me a little bit. But I got out of my tent and found them with the flashlight, and it was just some rabbits, so it's no big deal. Um, Anyways, I'm gonna make some coffee. I'm gonna get up, get moving, and get ready to head on to the next destination. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. I'm going to hang out and drink coffee for the next couple of hours before I hit the road. Just kind of relax and enjoy the campsite. Tune in next week. I'll be heading out to Salt River Canyon and Devil's Highway. Some really beautiful riding in next week's video. So I'm heading out in a little bit to film that. Definitely looking forward to that, and the weather is just perfect today, so it's going to be an awesome ride. So definitely tune in next week to see that. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.